Residential ipsa loquitur. Meaning. Residential ipsa loquitur is a Latin maxim which means the thing speaks for itself. It is a rule of evidence used in cases of negligence. Under this principle, the court presumes negligence from the very nature of the accident, even without direct proof, because the accident would not have happened without negligence. Explanation. Normally, in negligence cases, the burden of proof lies on the plaintiff to prove that the defendant was negligent. However, under the doctrine of residential ipsa loquitur, the burden shifts to the defendant to prove that there was no negligence on his part. This rule applies when the facts of the case clearly indicate negligence. Essential conditions for application. For residential ipsa loquitur to apply, the following conditions must be satisfied. The accident must be of a kind which does not occur in the ordinary course of events without negligence. The thing or instrument causing the injury must have been under the exclusive control of the defendant. The accident must not have been caused by any voluntary act or contribution of the plaintiff. Legal effect. The effect of this doctrine is that it creates a presumption of negligence against the defendant. The defendant must then explain how the accident occurred without negligence. If the defendant fails to give a satisfactory explanation, he will be held liable. Examples. A surgical instrument left inside a patient's body after an operation. A barrel falling from a warehouse and injuring a passerby. A train derailment due to poor maintenance. In such cases, negligence is obvious from the facts themselves. Importance of the doctrine. This doctrine is very important because it helps plaintiffs who cannot prove negligence due to lack of technical knowledge or evidence. It promotes justice and fairness, especially in cases involving hospitals, factories, and public authorities. Relation with medical negligence. In cases of medical negligence, residential ipsa loquitur applies where negligence is clear and apparent, such as operating on the wrong body part or leaving medical instruments inside the patient. Conclusion. In conclusion, residential ipsa loquitur is an important principle in the law of torts. It shifts the burden of proof to the defendant when the facts clearly indicate negligence. The doctrine ensures justice by preventing wrongdoers from escaping liability due to technical difficulties in proving negligence.